The date is Tuesday the 17th of June 2025. The time is now 12:35 AM. And I've just come outside and I can hear noises again in the southwest. A dog was just barking over that way. Dog backwards is God. So God is confirming that this is supernatural noise again. You can hear it there, look. Like a ringing noise now. That rushing water sound. Come in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses in Lincoln, UK, which is Jehovah's Temple in Jerusalem. Fair noise over there now. Sound has moved. That's loud. This supernatural noise is happening on, well, on the 13th of June 2025 is when Iran started attacking Israel, which is the day I started ordering my Royal Mail pickups for them to collect my letter parcels to send to the Watchtower, which includes 3 printed pages and an 8GB memory stick to destroy the Watchtower and probably the rest of the world. It's so powerful, that memory stick. Everything's in my pinned comments, links, and also in the video descriptions, and also under the banner of my main page on my YouTube. Go and download the Bible codes, 90 of them. Mind blowing. Keeps moving, the sound does. Definitely supernatural. Anyway, I'm going to have a cup of tea now. So good night and see you again soon. Bye.